guys, this is Jackson UK. We are going to, I can't remember what it's called. It's a place outside.
Hidden in the woods.
Hidden in the woods. It's a boiler place. We've got to find it yet.
There's a lovely little road.
Yeah.
Down.
And we're in the shade, so I'll turn you around in the shade. As you see, good morning. Hello. I'll turn you around. I'm still not used to this. How long have I had it?
Too long. You should know by now, Jackie.
Right. Down, that's it. Right. I've got my, this is a neck fan. Keep me cool a bit. So we're trying to find it. Yeah, Fear the Beard, thank you, because you pinpoint this to me, but still got to find it. Right, turn it off.
Through there then.
Found the place and we're going towards it. Took us how long?
Yes guys, we've officially found what we were looking for. Still in the middle of nowhere, taking a wee while to actually find it because it was very rough.
Oh, I forgot to turn this off.
Yeah, Jackie's just taking off.
Sorry, I just tripped over. I was too busy concentrating turning my fan off on my neck. I'll turn you around. There you go. I've got my neck fan on. Stop the me overheating, but oh, I'm getting close again. Yeah, as you say, we found. What's up, Mum?
Your phone's
Oh,
load of rubbish.
every time she does that, she freaks me out. But this place looks amazing. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll turn you around in a minute. Yeah. You can have a look at me for a moment. I'll surprise you. Oh my god, it's quite big. Surprise you in a minute.
I think I'll find a bit of history on this.
Yeah.
You have to do my research.
Fear the Beard, we found it.
So,
If you check him out, it's Fear the Beard. He's one to show me the pin, but still can find it now. You ready? I'll turn you around in a minute. You ready? You ready?
I'm going to turn around with you.
Oh,
There we go.
there you go.
Right. What have we got here then? We've got all the old brickwork and everything. We have dates on, don't they? Some of them. Oh, that's quite. Look at that random chimney just there in the middle
Wow.
of the woods. Interesting.
Oh my god, it's
Oh no,
Sorry.
oh no, good. Propaganda.
got the. This looks quite big.
Would have been, yeah. So that's obviously the wall going all the way along. So yeah, this would have been quite a big place. Just wondering what its purpose was.
Yeah. All we know is like a. Oh, this is twigs. All we know is it's a boiler place, but
We don't know anything.
what we
of it,
do,
yeah.
we'll look on see if we can find the dates on the on the boilers and things like that. So if there's any sign of it.
What do we do? Up this way?
This way.
Corrugated metal on the floor.
Oh. Hello.
No, we're on a bit of corrugated
Oh, yeah.
metal. It's a bit of what would have been an old pillar or something, yeah. It's in a sorry state, isn't it? It feels like someone's had a fire and burnt a lot of it down.
Oh wow.
How bloody stupid. Yeah, there's another bit of wall over there.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Okay.
This second location is the better location. And Mom gets like twigs. Whew. Well, no, get
Go up and round that way then.
Yeah.
I think.
up. Oh right, okay. Did you want the clippers or?
No, it's not the clippers. I just nearly walked right into a spider in his house.
Oh.
So if I can go round without disturbing any.
What's that?
I don't know.
There's another little chimney there. Apparently there's someone's put like a.
Wire, metal wiring. Is that to stop people from coming in?
Yes.
So yeah, there's not a load of like wire that people rolled up and put all along here. So you're obviously stopping people coming in for some kind of reason. I just don't know what.
Okay. Where's that spider web?
Right in front of you. So yeah, just come round the way I'll come.
Okay.
It'll be alright.
I don't want to disturb the poor thing.
This way.
You watch
I
me.
don't know what that is. Somebody's pinned them into the tree. There's a lot of tyres around here. So I'm wondering if there have been some old cars around here somewhere.
Could be.
No, it's just.
I'm going to investigate.
I was going to say do what we do best and explore, but we just make a mess. Shit and everything, don't we?
Here you go, guys. I don't know what that is. It's crazy. There's a tyre there. Oh, it got stung. That's a.
Yeah.
That would have been some kind of a vent thing of some sort. Oop.
Kind
Excuse
of
me.
reminds me of when we walked through the woods to get to Snowdown.
Yes.
We've got to go back and do that again at some point. Not
yeah.
get chased.
That was funny. If you follow, I think it's still on my video, one of my videos, and you see us getting chased. I think if you go on Mons, it'd be more fun, wouldn't it?
I'm like, get down, hide, they're right there. Then we got lost trying to run away from them, didn't we? So yeah, this is all, I don't know what this would be.
Someone's been like fly tipping of some sort.
Yeah, standard.
Nothing new.
Welcome to Kent.
Yep. Oh. Well, look, this is the wall. This goes.
Another old bit of wall. So we've got that there.
Oh yeah.
Like a water tap in it. Maybe? So,
I suppose if it makes sense, because if the boiler place is there,
yeah, another old bit of wall going along there. So this place would have been, obviously this is the whole ground of it. I don't know what its purpose was, but yeah, if I can get any information, you guys will be the first ones to know. You'd have to go home later and
it's a chair
do some
from the
homework.
distance. Wow. There's another bit of wall.
Yeah, so it goes around this whole section then, because there's a load going down there too.
So what we'll do, we'll go round that way and go to that.
So it's got, look, here, big metal, that must have opened up and gone underground or something, I don't know. Yeah, there's something. That's all I can really tell you, something.
Someone fly tipping. Not really interested in that. This is the wall what he was going on about, isn't it? He went round this wall, round there, And I think this is it, because the other place we're going to is on the other side of the bypass, isn't it?
Yes.
So this is be the separate video, guys. So it might be...
Yeah, we're
Awesome.
doing locations all in one day.
Yeah.
Different videos. Because it's cool like that.
Didn't get more lost.
Also, it's all the way down there as well.
Oh yeah.
This place must have been huge at one point.
Oh, there's...
Yeah.
Oh, greenhouse. Was that the house one? It's a nursery.
Caravan.
Is that, would that be the... Because
I was in the same video.
yeah, this is the nursery one.
Okay.
So I think the nursery would have been, you know, the plant nursery
Yeah.
sort of thing. Because the nursery's just over there.
Right. Okay.
So that's the boiler place.
In a minute then.
Because you will find a lot of pots.
Oh yes, that's what I thought someone had a grow out here.
There's another tap there.
Sense. Okay, guys.
But I don't know if the boiler, I think the boiler is separate to the nursery. Because you can see, there you go. Nursery's just there.
Yeah. Okay.
Um,
We'll have a look at that in a sec then. Yeah, look, got a tap.
oh, this,
Like a bird bath.
isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a plastic one. Okay. Wow. Oh, I'm in the way, sorry.
No. Probably find loads like underneath all these leaves and what have you. If you actually spent the time.
I'm not going to turn it on just in case I flood the place.
I wonder if it actually still. No.
No.
Oh, so all this glass is from the nursery then, is it?
Yeah.
Right, okay. All the greenhouses and that.
And a lot of pots, as I said, would be over there.
Road all down there that we walk past.
So the nursery, I don't know, I think the boiler is before the nursery, I presume.
What's that bit of metal wire?
This is what I love. I love this sort of thing.
So they would have chucked all the coal and stuff in that hole.
Yeah.
For it to
Wow.
burn. Come out the top of there.
Ooh. Oh, sunlight is bugging. Didn't like that, did you? Right. Been stung a few times.
To the chimney, so yeah, this all would have functioned together with a corrugated roof. So it's definitely got some aging to it because this connects into this. So there's the door that you would have opened and closed to put whatever in there.
Where's that spider web? I forgot where it is now. What's got the name? Oh. Would you like first or would you like me to go first?
It's up to you.
I can see disasters ahead. Come on, is it possible you could hold that for me?
Mm-hmm. Oh, shit. Sugar. Here she goes.
Yeah, spiderweb.
Ugh, yeah, I'm glad you went first. Keep them spider webs, mate. Oh, Jackie.
I got confused. I'm going under. I'm going to put that down. Would you like me to hold that for?
Oh. Technical malfunction. No, don't start.
Oh no, mine's
technology.
No!
No! The other way! Oh, don't tell me it's died. So, I mean, they didn't charge properly, either of them. What's it doing? Dead, is it? No?
I think it's... Turn it off and turn it on, I suppose, can you?
It's dead.
Dead as a dodo. Oops.
Sorry, guys. I'll be with you momentarily.
I'll see if I can find... Oh, God. Ooh. Oh, right next to the road. Oh.
I'm back to handheld for now. Gimbal said no.
What's in there, guys? Ooh. I'll get my torch. I'm going to balance you there. Not a good idea. It's definitely not a good idea.
What's that?
I'm going to get a torch and I'm finding somewhere to put this down to... Hang on. Here you go, guys. I'm just finding my torch, guys. It's around somewhere. I've got torches and... That's where I've got my coat in the way. I've got to get my torch. I know I've got my torch somewhere. Right. Ah. Right. The drink a minute. That's warm. Sorry guys, you're facing down, I'm facing bottom at the moment. Right. Did you see that? Oh, it doesn't really take you far, but it's a hole. What's in there? I'm just panicking for nothing. But, ooh, what's... Right.
It's giving off some real...
Oh my god. Shall I... Oh, okay. This wench or some sort. I'll come out and show. Oh.
Give us any information in the comments
Okay.
as to how old this is, like what its original purpose was. Or... Oh, that's soft down there. Ooh. Almost.
Is that open?
Oh, this feels really soft.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm sinking in there. Maybe not a good idea.
Oh, we didn't have to go over the wall. Could have gone this way.
Oh, really?
Oh look! Well, mind you, there's a tree in the way anyway, I suppose. Make sure there's not. Always make sure there's not holes or anything, or.
Yeah, the ground is really soft around there. I just fell through it. Just be mindful of that.
And carry on going. There's the pots, some more pots, and
Yeah. So we'll do walk over towards that way then, is it?
yeah, we'll go towards the nursery.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I suppose there would have been a big roof of that or covering over this to protect it from any weathering and what have you.
Tell you one thing, I should have got more drink.
Yeah, the weather's not on our side anymore. It's too hot now.
Do you want to go that way, or do you want to go?
Might as well go that way. No,
Yeah.
straight on, I think.
Crunch, 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 crunch. I know you guys like the sound of it. There's the pots. Pots there.
Up that way then.
There's, I think this is the part of the, I suppose this would have been part of the nursery here, I presume.
No, this wall goes all the way along here. And then
Yeah. Because there's another bit of wood there.
the wall ends there, goes along there, and then that way.
So this must have been the whole perimeter
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, because that, I think it takes straight back up the road over this way. I think.
Because that's the fridge he was going on about. That someone dumped a fridge just over there.
What, up here?
Yeah. There's all the pots and pans down there. Pots and pans. The plant pots. And I think that's it, I presume, isn't it?
Like it, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. So that's the fridge. Because the other bit is the house is the bigger bit.
Yeah.
And that's it, guys. Right, go. What should we do? Go back.
Can we get out this way?
We'll try, obviously.
Okay.
We'll have to find that bridge because I think you've got to go this way anyway. Anyway, guys, I'll turn you around.
Yeah.
Right. Oh, I've done it again, and that's it. The boiler place is just down there. I still got my fan on because on my neck because it's hot, and this is a number 2. The boiler, and there you go. There's mine again.
3 today.
Yes, whoop, whoop. We done it. We've got the last one to do. Then that's it. That because it's going to be 3 parts. It's going to be the one you can't see now. 3 parts. It's going to be. So yeah, and that's it. And now I've got my words. Anyway, I'll see you later, guys. Please. Oh, hang on. Right. Gotta get the right. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.